morning. It's Friday. And
good morning.
We obviously, you saw us go see the fireworks, and then we went to Mine Train. We had a fast pass, and we did, what did we do after that? Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion, yep.
So solid. We fit a lot in like 4.5 hours. But today we're going to Typhoon Lagoon.
Woohoo!
And it'll be a nice day. So camera's not coming. But yeah, we're at a water park today.
Well, we'll take some Snapchats, some phone videos and stuff like that. So
I won't. He might. But
some cool iPhone 8.
so last time I went to a water park was last trip to Volcano Bay. But I haven't been to the Disney parks, water parks in a while. So this will be fun. Be a nice relaxing Friday as long as it doesn't rain. Okay. Ooh, it's really foggy. Ooh, the humidity. It's so foggy. Uh-oh. Please stop. It is currently 4 o'clock-ish. We did go to Typhoon Lagoon. 4:20 again?
420, turn up.
We're not like that. Anyways, went to Typhoon this morning at 10 when it opened, and then it poured down rain at like 1. We ate our lunch and decided we needed to leave because it's been raining all day and thundering and lightning, so nothing.
Lightning, and the park closes at 8, so we're like, we were gonna leave around 5 anyways. So.
Well, we were gonna leave and we had plans for dinner at Epcot anyways, so but we ended up leaving at like 1:30. We've just been chilling out since, got showers.
Our sweet room.
Yeah, in our nice room. Now we are heading to go to Epcot for dinner.
The Coronado Springs Convention Center.
Yeah, it's raining, so we're walking through the convention center. But yeah, we're going to Chef's de France, so should be good. Alright, so we're gonna Epcot. We parked at the boardwalk and walked over because the reservations are in France. So we're like, I don't really want to mess with Future World. And then we stopped at the Abracadabra bar for drinks. And we tried a drink.
That was great.
It was good. I had
Always great
something
atmosphere.
Collins, I think. And you had the magic
Mirror.
mirror.
So purpley drink because
Yeah.
Minnesota Vikings are the best. So.
But yeah, so we're kind of killing time before reservation, and we're gonna try to check in early, 6:30.
Because we are hungry like
We are hungry, and it's raining, and we've already gone through the Japan gift shop very slowly. So the Guardian show's at 5:30, and it was playing as we came in, and I was kind of mad we missed it. But the next one's at 6:45, and we don't want to be leaving in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Because we have to go to dinner.
Plus
But
it's raining and they have reserved seating for underneath the cover. So it's just like, I don't want a wet butt. Morgan doesn't want a wet dress butt. So.
Well, I have a long coat. So. But anyway, we're going to try to check in. And we're still hungry. It is 8 o'clock and we've eaten at Chef's de France. C'est très délicieux. Oui?
Yeah, what was our dude's name?
Oui, oui.
He was very
His name was Mathieu.
Mathieu?
Mathieu. Like
Yeah.
Matthew, but French. Mathieu. No, it's Mathieu.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was good. We're heading to Spaceship Earth because there's like no wait. And this sounds fun. Steven
Heck
just had
yeah.
dinner. He had cheese, bread, and a whole plate of fish and cream, and decided to get a mocha. It is very delicious.
Joffrey's
Joffrey's
iced mocha latte.
mocha latte.
Almond milk is the best drink out there. Can't even compare.
Heard it here, folks.
Leave it in the comment if you have a better Joffrey's
Oh geez, here we go.
for me.
Yeah, if you have any
Couple
suggestions, we'd love to hear some. I do like their seasonal drinks in the winter. Their Cupid's Kiss
However,
latte is very good.
Let's keep it around the not seasonal.
Alright, ignore him. No! Whee!
See my new hat?
Oh yeah. He got a new hat and mouse gear. Impulse buy.
With your take charge attitude, you're prepared. A portable medical scanner analyzes the situation.
I don't think he'll be smiling too much.
Fortunately, your entire medical history is with you at all times on a smart card.
Great.
The best surgeons in the world are always on call, thanks to real-time video links and remote-controlled instruments.
So, they're gluing me together.
Glue.
While you relax at home with hot chocolate, technology speeds recovery time.
Hot chocolate.
No time at all, you're back on your feet. Uh-oh. Fortunately, in the future, help is never far away. The end. Or should I say the beginning of